Berkey filters use a gravity-fed microfiltration system to remove over 200 contaminants. Berkey filters stand out above the competition because it carries the unique classification of being a water purifier, not just a filter. This is because of its ability to remove both viruses and bacteria. And all of this is done without the use of harsh chemicals. Sized to fit in most large kitchens, the Imperial Berkey water filter stands 27 inches high and is 10 inches in diameter. It can hold up to 6 black Berkey elements. The Imperial Berkey is versatile and completely portable. Each housing unit is made to last a lifetime from high-grade polished stainless steel. The size of the Imperial Berkey makes it perfect for both large families and medium to large groups. Just one set of black Berkey elements lasts up to 6,000 gallons. The cost of 6,000 gallons worth of bottled water can run around $3,420. One set of black Berkey filters costs $120. That is 28 times less than bottled water. With such a long lifespan, Berkey filters will not only save you money. The Berkey filtration system has long set the standard for water purification in the emergency preparedness community. Some disasters strike without notice, while others are predicted days or weeks in advance. By owning a Berkey filter, you'll avoid the rush to stock up when disaster is imminent and avoid the risk of finding the store shelves empty. A clean water supply is crucial to being prepared for any emergency. The Berkey system is completely portable and requires no electricity. The upper chamber can be inverted and stacked into the lower chamber, making it easier to store and even to take with you while traveling.
The YETI 6000X, our highest capacity power station to date. Equipped with 6,000 watt-hours of lithium power, the YETI 6000X will run power-hungry devices and appliances for days on end. Enjoy a wide range of powering options with 7 versatile ports, including 2 industry-leading 2,000-watt AC ports to run anything you could from a wall outlet. Power RVs, trailers, off-grid events, work sites, essential circuits in your home, and more. With a 6,000-watt lithium-ion battery at its core, the Goal Zero YETI 6000X power station equips you with reliable portable power for camping, tailgating, off-grid events, workshops, and emergency home backup. The YETI comes ready to power a wide range of devices with an array of port options, including 2 AC ports with a 2,000-watt AC inverter. Allows you to run large devices and appliances with confidence. Our new inverter size can handle up to 3,500 watt surges from power tools, refrigerators, and air conditioners, making it possible to power anything, anywhere. 2 2.4 amp USB-A ports, a fast-charging 60-watt USB-C power delivery port, an 18-watt USB-C output, 2 6mm 12-volt output ports, which pair well with some of our lighting options, a 12-volt car charging port with up to 13 amps of regulated output, and a 30-amp 12-volt regulated high-power port output that allows you to power large 12-volt systems from a single port. An MPPT charge controller allows for a 30% more efficient charge from our line of solar panels. To charge the YETI from the faceplate, there are 2 options: an 8mm charging port that can accept up to 120 watts of input, or a high-power port capable of accepting 600 watts of input. The maximum input a YETI 6000X can accept is 660 watts. The included 600-watt power supply will recharge the YETI in 12 hours. Charge times via solar and other power supplies will vary. Our intuitive LCD display allows you to view your input, output, time to empty and full, and current battery level. For more display features, see your YETI user guide. Under the lid, there are additional input and output options, including a 30-amp 12-volt HPP output and an 8mm 120-watt input port. These options allow for a more seamless cord management experience. There's also a module bay designed for our YETI Link system, which optimizes your YETI for home or battery system integration. Easily integrate your YETI with your home circuits with the Home Integration Kit, or HIK, a simple transfer switch that integrates the YETI with your home's electrical panel. In addition, we've expanded the capabilities of the latest YETI app to include charging profile options and more. Easily pair your YETI by pressing the wireless button and following the in-app instructions. This allows you to check battery level, power in and out, and turn ports on/off, all from the palm of your hand. Within the app, you can select charging profiles based on your use to optimize your battery life. Whether you need it on the job site, on the road, or as a home backup when the grid goes down, you can count on the YETI 6000X to power your electronics, appliances, home backup, and more.
Introducing the FoodSaver Multi-Use Food Preservation System, our most versatile vacuum sealer yet. The Multi-Use Food Preservation System keeps food fresh for up to 5 times longer. It gives you so many ways to vacuum seal with a built-in handheld sealer that works with zipper bags and containers. Custom settings give you more ways to use. Marinate in minutes. Perfectly seal bags for sous vide. Pulse vacuum to seal delicate foods without crushing. Easily preserve moist food. And dry food by creating an airtight seal. It's perfect for storing in your pantry, fridge, or freezer. It also comes with a roll storage and cutter bar to easily create different-sized FoodSaver bags. Preserve, prep, and cook food. You'll never run out of reasons to use it.
The Hamilton Beach Food Dehydrator is perfect for drying fruits, vegetables, jerky, and more without additives or preservatives. The 5 BPA-free stackable trays allow for continuous airflow, which provides even drying and eliminates the need to rotate trays. The clear lid lets you see inside to monitor the progress. The Hamilton Beach Food Dehydrator is made with a stainless design and comes with a fine mesh sheet for drying small food like herbs and a solid sheet for making fruit rolls. With a digital thermostat that lets you adjust drying temperatures and a 48-hour timer with automatic shutoff, this user-friendly dehydrator is all you need to make a variety of healthy snacks. Now that's good thinking.
The Sportsman Series 400 kit empowers you to provide high-quality first aid to several people and explore the wilderness with greater security. Every kit features a unique external map listing all its contents. Inside the kit are clear pockets that are organized and labeled by injury, so you know exactly where to reach. The wound care pocket features an irrigation syringe to clean wounds, butterfly closure bandage to close wound edges, and sterile dressings to protect wounds. The cuts and scrape section includes our exclusive Easy Open technology, easy access bandages, antibiotic ointment, tincture of benzoin, and wipes, including medications that treat allergic reactions, itches, pain and fever, inflammation, and diarrhea. Fracture and sprain items include a 36 by 4-inch C-splint, plus a wide variety of wraps and bandages to immobilize and support fractures. Adventure Medical Kit's exclusive manual, a comprehensive guide to wilderness and travel medicine, is an indispensable resource that provides instructions for diagnosis and treatment, illustrates life-saving and trip-extending solutions, and includes step-by-step detailed guidance for using your kit's contents. It's like having a doctor in your bag. Take life-saving trauma supplies with you and leave the larger kit at base camp. This lightweight waterproof trauma pack has supplies to administer CPR and to stop severe bleeding, featuring a Wound Stop trauma bandage and SWAT T tourniquet. The Wound Stop is an all-in-one trauma bandage in a compact, lightweight package. With its built-in 4-inch by 7-inch trauma pad, 3-yard elastic bandage, and sturdy closure bar, the Wound Stop trauma bandage is an indispensable tool for stopping major bleeds. A versatile trauma tool, the SWAT T is a go-to tourniquet for military, EMS, and civilians alike. Simply stretch, wrap, and tuck to stop bleeding quickly in an emergency. The SWAT T can also be used as a pressure dressing, elastic bandage, shoulder sling, and more. The Sportsman Series medical kits provide you with the highest quality first aid supplies and medical information based on the most current guidelines in wilderness emergency medicine.